Now discuss the nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen cycle completes in basically four steps. First is the nitrogen fixation, and then second is nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. So how these steps takes place, let's discuss one by one. So in general, you can see that the nitrogen cycle completes in 5 steps: nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification and denitrification. The first step is nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen fixation, that is the conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into useful nitrogen compound, is called nitrogen fixation. How this nitrogen fixes into nitrogen fixation occur? It occurs by three methods. First is atmospheric nitrogen fixation, second is biological nitrogen fixation, and then industrial nitrogen fixation. It occurs in by the three methods. So first is atmospheric nitrogen fixation. It is also known as fixation of atmospheric nitrogen by the electrical discharge. You have seen when there is lightning strikes, the nitrogen and oxygen in the atmosphere combine, and due to electric discharge and form an acid and form oxides of nitrogen. So this oxide of nitrogen dissolve in water and then form nitric acid, and then it comes down on the earth and reacts with alkaline salt that is present in soil and forms the nitrates. These nitrates are absorbed by the plants. So you can see in this diagram, the first is when atmospheric nitrogen that fixes with the lightning, the nitrogen that reacts with the oxygen and rain and forms the nitric acid that react with the alkali are present in the soil and that changes into the nitrates, and these nitrates can be absorbed by the plants. So here I have taken two diagrams so that you can understand better. Atmospheric nitrogen, that is nitrogen fixing. Another method is biological method. So in biological method, by some bacteria, blue-green algae are nitrogen fixing microorganism, and some bacteria that you have studied in the previous chapters also, that is rhizobium, that is present in the leguminous plants like beans, peas, that fixes the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds. So these bacteria help in the fixation of